Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can use custom teams in franchise mode in Madden 26. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to download the team. So go to Creation Center. Here, you just need to select it. Then select the team that you want to have. So for example, I will download Hounds. Wait for a couple of seconds, then go back. Then you need to go to franchise, select it. Franchise and then select it, okay? Then we need to wait for a couple of seconds, press a create new league, then make sure to play online solo multiplayer because offline will not work. Then roster file, wait for a couple of seconds, roster file will be downloaded here. After roster is downloaded here, you need to choose a basically replace a team. So for example, I will replace the Jaguars here. I just need to, on the bottom, you should see what you need to press. In my case, I just need to press Q, and then you need to import that particular team that you want. So yes, use the team builder roster. Okay, once it's imported, then you can go and basically finish the customizing. And that's pretty much it.